Scratch that off the list, man. Going back to
Good. All right.
Jeff is not like that.
Next one's
Joy said,
Babyface.
"Oh, I love Jeff, dog." I'm like, yo,
No, we went over these songs within the last month. Like,
that's what we always do, though, don't we? Jeff hates practicing.
It's okay. It's
He
okay.
always hates practicing. Press stop. Press stop. Good. Okay, good. Thanks, Elijah. Ever since I know Jeff in every single band, he hates practicing. You got practice, songs, music. That's it. People gonna be like that. They're gonna be like, yeah, girl. And you gonna be like, you gotta keep going. What you say? You need your green bar or something?
Nah, no, I'm good. I ate.
Yeah, put your sexy device.
Oh yeah.
You know we need that. So to get ready, son. So this are we going on a second set right here?
That was the best intro.
Are we going on a
This
second
is the
set?
last song of the first set.
Okay, for real? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
But you can't drink, man.
I'm not gonna drink.
Sorry.
I drank last time,
Jordan,
didn't
can you play B flat?
I? I drank last time,
Did you just try to tune the saxophone?
didn't I? Yes. You got you. You mad because you can't tune your drums.
It's like even how.
Somebody give me an A. Boom, 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 boom.
Where's your tuning slide?
Yeah, school tomorrow. Good night.
Summer school.
Where's your tuning slide?
There's
Oh.
no tuning.
Summer school because I want him to
Oh,
come
it's not like
ahead of the
because
class.
we said trumpet because I have a slide at the end.
Yeah. All right. Just feeding back.
That was the best.